It's time. Lake City 2021. 11:30. Everyone should be showing up here in a few minutes and we can get this thing on the road. Let's get it. All right. Any minute now. Any minute. 11:32. Any minute now. All right. Any minute now. Any minute. My hands are dry.
Yeah, Brandon's here. Hey,
Got your dog.
it's nice.
Man, I'd be all for Mexican food.
Man, that place in South Fork was really good except for gas.
You talking about the gas? Oh, okay.
No, it was not awesome.
That is awesome. From this side is awesome. Yeah, Brian said at 11:15 he saw that text leaving soon. Well, they're 30 minutes from Aledo to
Yeah.
here, so I'm guessing it'll be 12. Yeah, she just texted and said we missed the exit exiting Basswood. I saw the trailer go by.
Hello?
Hey, I just saw Jen's message. You're not going to turn around and come back, are you?
No. I'm
Okay.
going into the Home Depot parking lot.
Okay, well we'll go ahead and catch up to you then, okay? Grab me a dink. Grab me a dink, grab me a dink, grab me a dink.
And I was gonna pack all those Diet Dr. but
Yeah.
we couldn't. It's just full of ice, Harrison. So we'll have to just. Your frappe will probably be in here. That's nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
I like the expeditions.
It's hanging low. Oh, extender. Those extenders on his ears. That is funny. They're so funny.
Hey, Brian.
You're not gonna answer because he knows.
I was just wondering, I wonder if those mirrors that you put on there are causing that trailer to sway. It might be causing some extra wind resistance.
That's funny.
I know, especially since Hope's the one that brought it up.
I could expect something like that from Kevin. I kind of caught me off guard coming from your truck.
Whoop, America. Are they gonna have it? You're like racing.
Why does no one want it or have it?
What is going on, Starbucks? Where's your vanilla? It must be a Starbucks thing.
took the 44, Interstate 44 exit to the right instead of 287. And so we're turning around, and I wasn't able to catch him in time. So we're turning around. Okay, well, I'll follow you then.
What happened?
That's right. You sure will. Boy.
Did he miss?
We're going to Oklahoma.
Yeah, I mean, I followed you before and almost took me to Oklahoma, so maybe this will take me to Kansas.
Yeah.
Alright, I like that game. And I ain't going after the rental either.
I was gonna say,
after your woman.
That might be punished.
he's probably like, give it. Oh!
You're being gifted, baby.
That was awesome. Not being punished.
We made it.
We made it 12:30. Not terrible.
Circus has arrived in Raton.
Legit.
This is a really good hotel.
I love Raton. It's awesome. little
Why?
town. Because it's awesome. Where's Brandon running?
Why is he running? Yet? Oh no. I'm dilated to 6.
You gotta go where? Brandon had to go. Okay.
That looks uncomfortable.
Oh, we're just outside, me and the kids walking around. They're doing some videoing. Oh, no. See, there's this great YouTube channel called Laser Outdoors. It's their YouTube channel. You know this, dog. You haven't subscribed yet? Okay. All right, if you have subscribed to it, we appreciate it. But if not, be sure and subscribe and check that like button and hit the bell for notifications.
Leave a comment.
If you'd like to know. And leave a comment if you like what you see. What's up?
You want to tell the people the good news?
Yeah, the razor that we ordered for me a few weeks ago, apparently it came in early. It wasn't supposed to be here till July, and they called me right before we left town and said, hey, your bike's here when you want to pick it up. So that was a very surprising thing.
The day before we leave.
The day before we leave.
So those that don't know, Dad is about to get his brand new razor, so he is fortunate enough to have this Ranger to drive, but soon there will be another razor on this trailer. This will be his last time driving the Ranger. He borrows Byron's razor, so you're pretty lucky that you got some cool family.
Yeah,
that
I mean, I'm
lets
very
you
grateful to
borrow.
Byron for letting me borrow his razor
Yeah.
for Kevin making arrangements for this Ranger.
Right. But now it's
other
your
brother
turn.
Steven's got his General, so
That
yeah,
too.
I'm very grateful for those people since we got these to let me borrow theirs when they weren't using them. But
Right.
it's it'll be nice to have my own, and then we'll all have our razors on.
I know,
here, and
it's gonna be so
exciting.
awesome.
I'm almost as excited as I was when I bought y'all these razors. I'm just about that excited.
It'll
about getting
feel
my own.
complete finally.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we made it to Raton. Got in here last night a little after midnight. Got a good night's sleep.
Hold on. Hey, the crickets are so loud. Why did they get so loud all of a sudden? Hey,
I don't know.
hush. Hold on. Listen to me.
All right, guys. So we made it into Raton last night, a little after midnight. Drive went good. Had a few issues, but you know, it is what it is, and you know, we got here, and that's what's important. Today we're gonna finally make it into Colorado and eventually Lake City. We've been hearing about this fantastic Mexican restaurant in South Fork the entire trip, and honestly ever since we planned this trip. So I think we're gonna stop there for lunch and get something to eat. But hey, before we do anything else, quick shout out to this Best Western here in Raton. This is our 4th time staying here. It is an awesome hotel. Very nice people, great accommodations,
very
comfy
clean.
beds, extremely clean. Yeah, quick shout out to them. Thank y'all. You know, we appreciate it. So yeah, that's about it, and we're just super excited to get this trip going and get on into Colorado. So catch you on the road.
Here at Ramon's Mexican Restaurant, South Fork. About to go try it out. Brian Alley and his family say it's delicious. So we're gonna go give it a try.
A field day here.
The heck is this?
Sorry, everybody.
Wait.
Move to your left, Dan. Move to your left. All day on your left. You got lots of room on your left.
General.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more people here.
Hey, Daddy.
Crowd is popping.
Daddy.
I'm trying to leave room for people to walk over here.
Thank
Oh,
you,
that's
dog,
what
dog.
It is.
Thanks, way to be positive.
Yeah, man. You want me to block the sidewalk?
Yeah.
We're going to football field.
Hi.
To the bathroom.
Whenever you're, I'll text everybody the code so that everybody will, and the key will stay in the
Through
lock
the red
box,
door.
Please. Please keep the key in the lock box. Yeah.
Aww.
I'll text everybody the
This is
code.
really nice. I feel like they added more seats.
It's an ass.
It's so nice.
Very good.
Bathroom.
I'll spend 5 in the mornings.
Girls, your dad wanted y'all to decide
You
if y'all
want that
wanted a
one?
bunk bed or double
No.
bed. This is mine here.
This is not yours.
Smells good in here.
It's mine. Ow!
I just saw them. I don't know where they went.
You shocked me.
Need a light? This looks like the other one.
Wait,
It
if
may
we
not. Look. Oh, here's the bunk room.
wait, if we find another bathroom, can we do a funny thing where you open the door and I'm just sitting?
We can.
this room right here.
I want this one. I want this one.
Alright, well, we'll take what you want, bro. That one.
Yeah.
Works for me. Y'all voucher, you and Brandon, then take the room you want.
I want it. I want the bunk room.
There's 2 sets of washers and dryers, one down and one up, guys.
Alright, I guess I'm going up. Alright, let's go upstairs. Come on, show me the way. Come on.
Wait. I gotta miss them.
Where are you going? I'm going upstairs. Bye.
No.
Alright, come on. This is the Lewis suite, right?
Oh, we're gonna take the right one.
Whatever
This is
you...
Casa de Lewis up here.
Sweetness.
I don't know, I just see the room. Your room's probably
Really cool.
sweet. I don't know. Is that okay? I mean, there's
Dude, I'm good. I'm good with either one. I'm not picky. Nice little seating area. TV. It's nice. What's that?
Storage closet.
Storage. Cool. Now I gotta go check this out. Kitchen. Oh, it's like a suite. Oh wow.
Oh, it's big.
I think that's why. Oh wow, more room. Oh look, there's your bed.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Hey,
Look at the. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, I didn't.
It's this right here.
They may. Yeah, this is big.
Well, that's why they were offering it to Brian and his family.
There's a lot more. Yeah, it's just open
It's
space.
just a bigger, same beds, it's just a bigger room. It's in,
Y'all's bathroom should be that one right there.
is that, I think that's the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's the half bath, and then the full bath
wait, what's here?
is over
Oh, that's
here.
where the nun lives.
There's laundry.
Yeah, the full bath is in here, guys.
Yeah, it's in the laundry
Where does the
room.
nun live? Where does the nun live?
Back in Texas.
Oh, there is a TV up here, so
Yeah,
good.
there is. Yeah, this is like a.
This bathtub is the lights.
That looks like a Brandon bathtub. Would your dad be happy with that? Ew.
Hey, look, there's that like stove in the oven if you were wondering where you were gonna have to make dessert.
And there's the trash can. That's where you go. So just go ahead. That's for you,
See, when we
buddy.
make something, when we normally go to you, is gonna go right.
That's where garbage goes. Yep, I'm down. We can ride our razors there.
But it's not blowing anything.
I don't see any vents.
Fresh fudge.
Yeah, I'll get off with you, Kevin.
Upstairs there's vents.
Oh, look at all this.